Well, hello friends and followers and ham radio aficionados. So this Tec Omni 6 always has audio that goes to hell and back after it's on for a bit. And if I do a power on off or a power reset, the audio comes back. So the first thing I'm starting off with is the IF board. Here's the IF board that came with it. Is this it? Let's see. Yes, this IF board came with the radio. I'm not sure if this one's newer, the number's higher. Anyway, so somebody marked this as red. I got a new IF board from a guy for like 22 bucks on eBay. This might even be an older board because the number, let's see, 92840. What's this one? 92842. Whoa, this one's definitely, okay, no, 92840 Rev C. And this one is 92840 Rev A. Yikes. I probably should have fixed the other one. Anyway, I just stuck some new capacitors in this one. You can see they're all there. The new capacitors from China are more efficient. They're smaller than these big ones here. So anyway, I'll put the Rev A back in there and see how it does. I should probably fix this one too and replace the capacitors on it and try it. But maybe I'll try the Rev A first and see how it goes. It's not a whole lot of work to put these in. And someone was like mucking around with the bottom of this one here. It's got some, yeah, it's got some solder right there. So they replaced. Looks like a potentiometer. That's kind of yucky, isn't it? Don't know if I like that. Looks like they were mucking around here too. Hard to say if it's post-board production when they were doing a QA in this thing or what, some owner did that. I don't know. Anyway, I guess I'll pop that in. I also got a new speaker for this thing, so I'll pop in a new speaker too and see how that works. Run the radio for a while and see. I still don't get decent power output on this radio, and one of these boards has pin diodes on it for the power output. I'm not sure which one, but I got to replace that too and see if I can get the power output to vary. Right now, if I clock the power up and down, I don't get any change. The power remains constant. All right, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day.